10 legit ways to make money online. Welcome, everyone. My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say a huge welcome. Happy to have you here. Make sure you become a part of the family. If you enjoy this content, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. And what I've done, I've gone out and I've done some research. So I want you guys to get a pen, get paper, write things down because I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to show you 10 legit ways how to make money online. All right, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So I'm going to go from the lowest score to the highest score. When I mean lowest score to the highest score, yes, you can make money, but it's not going to be, a lot of money. It's not going to be like life changing. You got to spend a lot of hours doing it in order for you to start seeing some income. And then, yes, the highest score is how you can start to make money over time, and that's where it becomes more of a passive income. So I'm going to show you how you can make some money right away and how you can build up over time and start to make money consistently. Of course, that is going to take a little bit of work, but stay with me here because I'm going to show you 10 legit ways to make money online. All right. So the first one is paid surveys. Paid to watch videos, watch ads, and all that type of stuff. There's lots of different websites out there. And if you just go on Google, you can search for paid website. For example, you have like SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey, you can get paid. If you just go on there, you could just sign up for free. And they will ask you a series of questions, surveys, and all that type of stuff. And that company will pay you. So these are legitimate websites, legit websites that are looking for people that will do surveys. And where do they get these surveys from? There's large companies out there that reach out to these people as a third party and say, hey, I would like some honest opinion. And I want to see, I want to get some data where I can, get my business up and running. So paid ads, you can watch ads, all that type of stuff, and you can get paid. So that right there is not going to be a life-changing, but you're going to have to put in a lot of hours in order for you to make some good money. So coming in at number 2, you can buy and you can sell on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist. So if you got stuff in your garage and you want to get rid of it, you can go on these websites and you can start to sell all your stuff and start to make money. Or if you want to buy something on one website and then sell it on the next, not a problem. You could do that as well. So you could do what we call flipping. So if you see something for, let's say, $50 and the other website is selling it for $30, you could buy it for $30 on here and then go over here and sell it for $45, where you can make an extra $15 profit. So people use this method to make money online, and it is very lucrative, so you guys can try it out. Coming in at number 3, right? Number 3 is being a middleman. So you could be an influencer, you can be an advisor. And what an influencer is, maybe you got a Instagram account that you're growing, and you don't even have to have like a large following. You can have followers of like 1,000 people or 500, right? You don't have to look at, say, okay, well, I need to have, tens of thousands of people. Those 500 people could be your loyal fans, could be people who will say, if you post something and they like it, those could be 500 Raven fans. A lot of people think that, oh, you have to have a huge YouTube channel. You got to have a huge Twitter account. You got to have a huge following on Instagram, right? You can leverage a small Instagram account. So if you have raging fans, use stories, be a middleman, be an advisor, and you could sell things to those people. So that's how you can make money. Now, coming in at number 4 is write content for people. So you can go on a website that is called iWriter. iWriter is a great website. You can write content. There's tons of other websites out there that you write content for people, because sometimes I have emails and other things that I go on Fiverr and I get it done. You could go on Upwork, you could get it done. So writing content is always good. Coming in at number 5, right? Coming in at number 5 is what we call do gigs. And gigs mean you can do work on Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and you can make money doing gigs. Now, there's people on there that charge $5, there's $10, and most people think that, okay, I am going on Fiverr. I have to, I need to start off with my gigs at $5. No, you could start off with 10, 15. If you know your worth, feel free. But as a beginner, yes, you definitely want to start off, build up some, rapport, build up some trust with your customers. And when I mean gigs on Fiverr, you also can be a referral for Fiverr, meaning that you can tell people to go to Fiverr and sign up. And Fiverr, shooting this video, I've heard they're paying people right now just to, if someone buy a gig on there, they'll pay you anywhere from like 50 to $100. Don't quote me on that, but as of shooting this video right now, that's what I've heard. So check out Fiverr. It's a great place. Coming in at number 6, start a Facebook group. So when I say start a Facebook group, you're not just going to start a random Facebook group and have everything in it. You want to be very, very specific. For example, what if you want to start a Facebook group around animals? Or you want to start a Facebook group around, let's say affiliate marketing, make money online. Those type of things, jokes, funny things going on. So you can start a Facebook group, and then what you could do, you could be the person that can answer questions, concerns, all the type of stuff. Then you can get offers and start to advertise in that group, because people are going to be like, all right, you're the admin of the group. Hey, admin knows everything. I'm going to listen to admin. So that's how you can grow a Facebook group over time, and then you can start to crush it. Coming in at number 7, of course, start a YouTube channel. So this is where we start to go into where it's more of a passive income going on and on and on. So start a YouTube channel, and I'm sure some of you will be like, well, you got to have 1,000 subscribers. You got to have 4,000 hours watch views in order to get monetized. So here's the thing. You're not going to create a YouTube channel and then talk about fish, then you talk about cats, and you talk about this, and then you talk about that, right? I'm not saying that something is wrong with that, but you want to be very specific of what, like this channel right here. I'll talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, all the type of stuff. So people come on this channel and they know that, okay, when they come to Andre's channel, they know about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, all the type of stuff. So you can create a YouTube channel, let's say top 10, you could do a YouTube channel about top 10, top 10 funniest thing, funny YouTube channel, compilation, car crashes, accidents, things in a specific niche. Maybe you want to do a channel about product reviews. So over time, of course, you'll build up a large following, communicate with the people inside of that specific community, connect with them, and of course they're going to be loyal fans and they're going to rave. And that's how you can even make money, just by creating content on YouTube or through other ways. All right, coming in at number 8, set up WordPress websites, and you could give this away for free. Now wait for it, let me say this again. Set up WordPress websites, give it away for free. Now here's what you're going to be doing, right? When you find people that are looking to create WordPress websites, and then you start to sign up for hosting, because there's hosting programs out there that will pay you anywhere from like $50 to $300 just to bring those people in. So imagine you have the residual income of $300, $400, $500 coming in. So you create the websites for free, and then you tell them, hey, this is where you need to sign up. Give them the recommended place so you can make money from like web hosting. So that's where you're going to be making money from, is web hosting. So create websites, do all those things, and you're going to be up and running. All right. Coming in at number 9 is host a review and go live. And when I say host a review, go live, I mean you could go live on your Instagram account, go live on your Facebook account. So when you go live and you create a large following on there, then you could sell like t-shirts, you could sell mugs, You could sell whatever accessories you have going on, because that way people are going to see all the time, like, oh, I see you on your live video all the time. You know, like my wife, she does lives all the time, consistently, live. She does a live video every single day because she loves it. That's what she does. And if you're afraid of getting in front of the camera, so isn't my wife. She was afraid. She was like, I don't want to do this. But then she stepped out of her comfort zone. So sometimes you're worried about your own self. People don't care about you. Most times we're the ones that worry what people have to say. Yeah, people are gonna say stuff, but ignore the best revenge, just ignore people. Or we say ignore the haters. Who cares? When people start talking about you, that means you're doing good. All right. So coming in at number 10 is the number one way unlimited income you can make this. There is no specific cap. This is all the way to the highest, is become an affiliate marketer. This way you can create passive income over time. You can sign up for affiliate networks. There's so many different places that you can sign up for and be an affiliate. Start placing your links, start placing your ads. And if you want to learn how to do marketing, feel free to check out the first link in the description for you to learn more about marketing. So yeah, so those were my 10 ways, legit ways of how to make money online, and of course some passive income. So check this out. I hope this video helps, and just go out there and start crushing it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.